Find out the pre-installed SGT's land support and install one end on the inner side of the SGT beam and fix it with the equipped M1715 long bolt. Install one flat washer and one spring washer at the bottom of the bolt and tighten the M10 nut with an M10 hex wrench. Loosen the M10 hexagon bolt and install the sideways pre-installed angle steel on the rear foot, ensuring that the rear foot is perpendicular to the ground. And pre-install the M10 nut on the bolt and tighten it with an external hex wrench. Upper and lower bases on the front and rear legs of SGT and fix it with M10 bolts. Install one spring washer, one flat washer, and tighten the M10 nut with an external hex wrench. Put the split for rail into the rail and slice the two rails together. Tighten the two hexagonal bolts in the split for rail using a hex wrench. The rail with a side clamp and tighten the M-hex bolt with a flat washer and a spring washer using an hex wrench. Install the solar panel above the rail and clamp it with an end clamp. Then